Today we will install SW Motec crash bars on both these bikes. The blue one with only lower crash bars and the black one with lower and upper crash bars, the whole set of SW Motec. So once we're done, we will lay the bikes on the floor and see is there any real sense of these upper crash bars, and is it really worth to pay extra money. So let's see. And here's the result. I did not film any detailed mounting because you get the instructions with crash bars anyway. Everything is quite simple to understand and basically just an easy fit. I can say both versions look really nice, but the top crash bars overcrowd the bike a bit. Looks more clumsy and slower, which is true anyway just because of the color. The blue one is way faster. Yeah, anyway, really good looking crash bars. Well made as well. Good powder coating. Welding, not the nicest one, but not bad at all. Okay, bike's been laid on the floor. Let's see is there any difference. Alright, you can see that top crash bar does nothing at all for this case. If the lower one gets deeper into the ground, it may help. But actually there is really no difference at all. On a simple flat ground, a lower one just does exactly the same. So what conclusions do we make? Both crash bars are having the same clearance from the ground, and there is not much of a difference really. Unless the bottom one would dig deep into the ground, then it might be a help, but it means you need to get extra 3.6 kilos on your bike and spend another 175 euros I think for the top crash bar. I don't know, basically it's up to the rider to decide, but at the moment I'm happy with my decision only with the lower ones, and we will see in the future who was right, me or my friend. Well, I never lifted Tenere before, so let's see, can I make it? GoPro, stop filming. Not bad at all.